So I was able to pry the microwave open, and you could see there's a couple of screws on top. I think this top one might be the handle, but then there's the one right below it, which is a little offset, a little deeper in, which could be the handle. And then I think this screw sort of holds the inner door or that glass pane in. And then as you get below, you can see there's really almost no metal screws, right? But you can see that hole. So I don't know if there was a metal screw there that fell out. And then there's one metal screw at the bottom here. Sorry.